Open the door! Open the dang door! Okay, so who cares? I'm rich anyway. It's not like I'm gonna have to pay off the... Yeah, I kind of destroyed my house. Like, look at that. And I'm pouring out. No! Hello, guys. Welcome to Tear Down, where you break houses like this one right here. Ooh, that's my house. So, yes, break houses or die. Hello, welcome to my rich house. Freaking window. You gotta break that freaking window. Today, I'm just gonna go in my house and freaking, I don't care about this stupid door anyway. Freaking door. I mean, window, whatever. I don't care. Just blow this. Woo! Fire! I like fire. I like your mom. Wait, what? Okay, so I'm burning this door. Boom! Boosh! Stupid elevator. Never works. Never works. It never works. Oh no, the Hulk smashed my house. Whee! Ow, my legs! Swimming in my beautiful swimming pool. There's Jesus again. Guys, it's Jesus. Let's I'm rich, so ooh. Wait, these are ugly cars, bro. Don't park your trash car in my freaking driveway, bro. Why are you using your trash car? I'm gonna take this one because these people are poor and I'm rich, so I can take this car. I don't care. Look at your car. I'm crashing it. What if I do this? Freaking. Bro, who likes fish? I'm the rich man, so I don't like fish. I like Gucci Lamborghini food. I like Gucci juice. Open the door. Open the dang door. Okay, so who cares? I'm rich anyway. It's not like I'm gonna have to pay off the... Yeah, I kind of destroyed my house. Like, look at that. And I'm pouring out. No!